So the first test we're going to do is a posture analysis. The test we are going to choose is the ward test. The equipment needed is a flat surface on the back, and also a chalk to draw a line on the floor. Okay, so one thing we need is make sure that the ankles is away 10 centimeters away from the wall. Okay, and then the reason why we chose the wall test is to make sure that you see any anomalies broadcasted from the body. Um, they can be visible only in the wall test and only when using this. Okay, so one thing you want to always use is a grid in the background. Unfortunately, we do not have a grid. Grid will be visible lines showing you the difference between the shoulders, the hips, and whatever. Okay, so how we're going to do this, we're going to make sure that the athlete or client is at least 10 centimeters away from the broadcasted on the line on below. We're going to take a video on the same place, on the same time, or the same distance to make sure. So the same distance from where the camera is now, distance away and the same height um, whenever you're doing this test again to check the difference. Okay, so pros and cons is when you have a grid available, even when you're doing the test, it should be visible for you to see any anomalies. So the pros is that it's easy visible to see whenever the shoulder or the hip or the ankle is in a bad posture, in a bad posture, or something is wrong there, or any tightness or any loose muscles is broadcasted from the body. The cons is you do not always have a grid sheet behind the client or the athlete to make anything or any line more visible. Okay, so what we're going to do now is demonstrate it. We have our client or student here, Keenan. Keenan is standing at least 10 centimeters away from the wall with his body facing forward towards the camera. We're going to check for any deviance or any anomalies on his shoulder. We're going to ask him to change direction and do the side view. We're going to check his shoulder again, his hips again, his knees, the ankles, and we're going to ask him to face forward again. And we finish up like this, checking the shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles again. Thank you.